ladies.
That's a lot of damage!
Welcome to my video. I can't do British accent. It just doesn't work. How can I, how does that even work? Like, a British person can't do a British accent. Hello everyone, my name is Jonas Tyroller and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be making 50 games, and basically Jonas Tyroller, he challenged the whole YouTube community to make 50 games in one day. Wow. You see, I'm not being excluded from that, and I am going to go ham, and I'm going to one-up him, because we're going to do 51 games in one day. So, there's no way that anyone will ever beat me. Okay, I'm going to win this challenge. I'm going to be the champion, and yeah. It's going to be fun. So, yeah, documenting the progress starting now! Okay, game number one, it is 10:57, so we have loads of time. Okay, gonna drag in the thingy. Basically, we're gonna be making like a Space Invaders type game. So I have forgotten how to program, and we're only 2 minutes in. Okay, that's pretty good. Yes. Oh yeah, it worked. It's easy as hell, but it worked. Okay, game number one. Jesus, 50 more games. Game number two, top-down shooter. Let's get in. Mouse position. Equal camera name of screen. Full points. Mouse position. Vector 2. Direction. Vector 2. Okay, yay! What? Oh, that's terrifying. Well, it works well enough. Okay, game 2 complete. Okay, game number 3, and I'm gonna replicate like skipping stuff. Is it skipping? I don't know what it is. Box collided to.
Sorry, I just saw the video on your channel saying I'm taking a break from videos. 4 days like literally, like. I don't know, like 4 days later you post a video and you're making another one! You're not taking a fucking break.
No, I couldn't take a break.
You can't, you're a workaholic.
I am.
Literally, more than you're an alcoholic.
I spelled player wrong. I didn't put it right. Jesus. Zero out the X. Platformer movement. Come on, load faster, please. Come on, load faster, please. That's so scuffed. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh wow. No. I mean, you can't actually lose yet. Okay, so game 4 is basically the same as game 3, except. Okay, so this game is literally like just basically doing the same one as last time, except this time it's a 3,
made an impossible
and you
game.
can just jump
around.
There's not really much challenge because you can just stay in one spot and just keep jumping. Game 7 is pretty epic. You know, I didn't really know what else to do.
Well, on to game 7,
and as you can see, so next up, we are literally just doing a little platformer and putting in what we did in level 1. And now there's a little bit of an annoying bug, but that's just. Oh, we don't want to delete anything because yeah, you have to like go through. What? We always have it. Bit. Ah, yes, this makes sense. And outmaneuver them. But yeah. We failed. We only got to 19 games, sadly, which I'm still pretty proud of, to be fair. That's quite good. But we've run out of time now, so I can't really work on it anymore. All 19 games will be available for you to download. I'll put them all in one zip file so you can play all of them. Please note, none of them are good. Well, there might be one or two, but none of them are really properly good. None of them have been like bug free or anything, so there's probably a bug in like every one of them. But other than that, yeah, I really hope you did enjoy this video. It was a bit short, I know. I quite like these short videos. It's a lot easier for me to get out, so hopefully they're good enough for you. If not, just put it in the comments and I'll try and work on longer videos. But thanks so much to Jonas for setting the challenge for everyone. It was really enjoyable to actually participate in it, and do try it for yourself because it is fantastic. Make sure you dedicate yourself to it as well. Don't be like me and take loads of breaks. It's a bad idea. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the Discord. We have a lot of activity there, so it's really fun. That's all I can say. So thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.